everyone, welcome back to my channel YouTube. My name is Safir Romani Awa. In Nigeria, my province Aceh and the city is Banda Aceh. That we are celebrating, this blessing after we just passed about the fasting month. 1 month, just get freedom for Muslim around the world. They just, make a little bit as respect with every car, every tribe, a call, like a mass. This is, every year, that's twice in Eid al-Fitr and the Eid al-Adha. They make by their car, that make a little mass. Imagine that, man. Every year, every people, every man, just always Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. The meaning is the grace of Allah. Allah give us 1 month just for fasting 1 month, and then got freedom from shaitan, devil, and then bad devil. Imagine that. Every country around the world, Egypt, Russia, Europe, and then United States, and then every country around the world, they can't believe that. Indonesia, this totally different location. They have their own culture. Like this culture just like a circle road, like has a car, just build one, mask, a little mask, and then they're very awesome. They are just taking picture. Alright, when you go somewhere or Indonesia or Aceh, you don't forget to come to my country Aceh, because number one, around the world is number one is Aceh for tourism. Alright, thank you for visit this video. Then don't forget to watching my video, and then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for coming.